Why am I still not stacking silver right now? How you doing, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is Empire Precious Metals. I am not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bucket talking about silver and gold and all things precious metals, collectibles too. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content, and please don't forget to blast that like button. As you can see here before you, I have a variety of silver on my desk. A lot of the stuff that you see here is going to be for my auctions, which I do every Sunday, 6 p.m. Eastern. Had to just do that quick little plug. This stuff isn't for my collection. Some of it is. The Marvel stuff down here is. A lot of this other stuff, though, is not for me. A lot of people love these Libertads. I'm going to sell those. And, I bought this generic silver here because I need to make a couple videos with it. But this is actually just for prop purposes. But why am I not stacking silver right now? At the time of the recording of this video, we have silver sitting close to $27. And I recently purchased about $4,000 worth of silver from somebody within the stacking community. I was able to purchase American Silver Eagles for less than $31 per coin. It came out to be $30.70 per American Silver Eagle. I did not buy those for myself. I actually ended up flipping those for a minimal profit to my local coin shop. And I did this because I am still not stacking silver right now. Why is that? Partly because I am still of that mentality that I was buying the American Silver Eagles for $18.50. The price of them right now sitting at $40 per coin is too much in my opinion. Even when I was able to get them at $30.70, in my opinion, I still felt that it was too much money to be putting into silver for stacking purposes. I am buying this high premium stuff to flip. That's it. Every once in a while, I will buy one coin for my collection, right? If I'm in a series, like I do buy the Star Wars coins, I do have the Marvel coins, so I'm collecting that stuff for myself. But when it comes to, coins like Zeus or the Poseidons that just dropped, Libertads, Peanuts, this type of coin, I'm not buying for myself or for my stack. I am buying them to flip them. When it comes to the generic stuff, I was purchasing this generic silver at $16 an ounce. In my opinion, buying this stuff at $32, $33, $34 an ounce is still too high right now. A lot of people in the stacking community believe that silver is going to shoot the moon. They think that it is going to go to $40, $50, $60 an ounce. Some people even say it's undervalued. It's going to go up to $100 an ounce. I am not one of those people. I've been saying it all along. I buy this stuff to flip it. If I'm going to be stacking silver for peace of mind in case of an SHTF scenario, or if I view that the government's entire economic system is going to collapse, I will then be buying the silver. But I don't see that happening. I firmly believe if that was going to happen, it would have happened when 2020, around March, April, was right when kind of COVID was in full panic mode. You saw some food lines. People were kind of freaking out, didn't know what to expect. There were the quarantines, the lockdowns, all that stuff. But we're actually kind of coming out of that now, right? We have something like 30% of Americans have all received at least one dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. But when it comes to stacking silver for that peace of mind, it's got to come down in price, in my opinion. I'm buying gold right now, and I've been saying that. When it comes to the premium of gold over the spot price, and you compare that to the silver spot price and the premiums that you have to pay for something as basic as the generics, it's still too high. Now, you do also get the whole, that's not the real price of metal. Silver's undervalued. You can't compare the spot price to the physical price. I understand that. There is definitely now a discrepancy between the spot price sitting at the $26, $27, and then you've got the silver, like these high premium coins sitting at, $45 at their introductory rate. And the generic stuff, it's no longer trading at like $1 or selling at $1 or $2 over the spot price. It's going for like $33, $34 an ounce. And the American Silver Eagle, right? Those coins going for upwards of $40 per coin. So I do understand that there's a discrepancy, but I still do not agree with the mentality that you cannot compare the spot price to the physical price. I understand there is that discrepancy there, but for the longest time, I mean, how many years are we talking, folks? 40 years, 50 years, 100 years? I mean, how long have we been talking where we've been comparing the physical price of silver to the spot price? It's still, at least for me, a little hard to kind of get out of the mentality of that gauge. So I am looking for the silver spot price, and I still do compare that to the physical price. And that's fine. If people want to say that you can't compare the two, I understand you're really kind of looking at that discrepancy. But it really, in my opinion, it's still a good gauge when I'm looking at the premiums, especially for gold, to spot price. So for me, I'm still believing in the gold being the better store of wealth. And I do believe that gold and silver do have more upswing potential, but to me, silver is still too expensive right now to be stacking hardcore. That's why I'm telling people to really start considering buying the premium stuff as potential flips. I know that there's other ways to make money, right? You can be buying and trading cryptocurrencies. You could be buying and selling stocks regularly. That's fine. But, I've had tremendous success buying and selling the high premium silver coins and making profits on them to where I've been able to grow my gold stack at a faster rate. The silver, when it comes time for me to stack silver for myself, then, I'll be switching to the generics. I'll be buying Silver Eagles, but it's still got to come below $30 an ounce, in my opinion. Dare I say even the mid-20s. The American Silver Eagle, a few years ago, we were able to buy those coins at $17 to $18 per coin. And right now, seeing it sit at $40 per coin, I can't justify it. When the Type 2 Silver Eagle comes out this year, I'll be buying maybe one slabbed coin to commemorate the very first issue of the brand new design. And maybe I'll buy a slabbed coin for the last of the Type 2. But that's it. That's it. I won't be stacking the American Silver Eagles hard. I'll be going for any date Silver Eagles. I'll even consider buying the secondary as long as the price is relatively low. But until that price drops to like that mid $20 range for American Silver Eagles, which I don't necessarily think is going to happen, I don't think I'm going to be stacking silver for quite some time. And that's the other thing. It's going to lead me to another video. Where do I see silver actually dropping? Do I see it dropping? Not really. I'll get to that in another video. I'm curious as to what your thoughts are. I'm not stacking silver, not for quite some time, not until those silver prices drop further. I will buy this stuff to flip. What is it that you are doing? I know a lot of you are firm believers in silver and are going to be stacking it hard, but comment down below. And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.